Hey everybody, this is Scroggins, and welcome to the Scroggins Farm. Luke thought he'd do a little something because of all the fishing that he loves to do, and we just thought we'd share a little bit of our life with you. Not very much, pretty simple, God-fearing people. So let me show you what we got. What'd you catch? Another catfish. Luke says down, down, down. You want me to take him off? Hey Henry, that's Henry Chancellor over there. Can you say hi, Henry?
Hey, I need some more bait.
Need some more bait. Here, Luke. You talk to it a little bit.
Hello guys, my name's Luke.
Tell them how old you are.
I'm 8 years old and I do almost everything. I do baseball, basketball, I do rodeo.
Raise bucking bulls.
I raise bucking bulls, and I live on a farm.
What do you want them to see about your farm?
So what we do and what we're best at doing.
All right. So, just like I said, this is just a little something that we wanted to try, see if we could do it. And if everything goes right, and me and Luke have decided that if we get 100,000 views or likes, don't know how this works, but I think it's likes, then we're gonna give away a calf to some lucky person, random, and Luke will pick it for you. Is that right, Luke?
Yep.
All right, so stay tuned to us. We'll talk to you a little later.